Alright YouTube, so today I'm gonna unbox and check another smart bulb. As you can see it here, it's from Wipro. The model name is Garnet. It's a 9-watt RGB Wi-Fi smart bulb, and this thing also I got from Amazon, and here you can check the price, $629. That's a very nice price. So I chose the 9-watt because as I told you in the last video that I'm going to use it as a mostly the night lamp with a different color, so I need a very less brightness. So that's it. Here you can see the model number NS9300, 9-watt B22 cap, and the voltage is 222 to 240 volt AC, 50 Hertz, and the lumens is 850 lumens, and the price is 2099. Manufactured July 2020. Alright, so on this side you can see RGB lights, 16 million colors, white tunable, warm white to cool white, Alexa voice control, set a schedule or timer, and this is how you gonna connect the bulb to the Wi-Fi. So that's it. I got this bulb in very good condition, you can see, and it's completely sealed, I can see, and the box is nice. It's came into another box with a brown paper wrapping inside. Well, that kept this one safe. So let's open this. Well, that's the bulb itself, and the design is just like the Halonix prism, the shape here of this bulb that you've seen before. So the specs are there: 9-watt, 850 lumens, 0.045 amps, and B22 cap type. That's a B22 cap. So that's it, and that's the user manual, and how to connect it, and how to use it. So let's connect this to a power outlet, and let's see. So you can see when you first turn it on, it's going to turn on as a white light, and it's going to stay like this until you connect it to the Wi-Fi and with the app. So now I'm going to do that. Alright, so the next step is you need to download the Wipro Next Smart Home app from Play Store, and I have already downloaded it. So now let's open this thing, and now it says register, so I need to do that. I agree. Now here I need to put my email. Now the next step is I need to enter the verification code that I'm gonna get in my email. Alright, now I need to set a password. Okay, now next step is auto reminder setting. I'm gonna check that later. And now I need to click on this add device, and from here a few devices are there. I need to check the light, and here you can see lighting, Wi-Fi. Well, now it says power on, and then turn on and off, and then it will start blinking just like this. So let's do that. And you see it started blinking now, but it says it will blink rapidly, but it's not blinking rapidly. I don't know. So now it's rapidly blinking, you can see, as it mentioned here. So now it's blinking. So now connect the Wi-Fi. Alright, so now it's connecting now. It's going to take some time. So you can see added successfully Wipro bulb. So now done. And here is the bulb app. As you can see, that's the brightness, very easy. That's the on off button, and that's the schedule timer, and that's the white and yellow color. So let's turn it to yellow, and you can see it became yellow, and then white again. Now let's go to color. You can see that's red, orange, then yellow, then green, and then blue. Now this is pure blue, and then violet, and pink, and red. So that's it. And there is a brightness, so I can reduce that. And there is a contrast also. You can see the color is changed. You can see that. So that's it. It's very easy, and I don't know why people keep complaining about setting this thing up. It's very easy. You just need to have a Wi-Fi and internet. That's it. So that was the unboxing and testing video of this Wipro Garnet 9-watt RGB LED bulb. Hope you are going to like the video. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.